What a going goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. You don't know, today we're gonna make some brown stew chicken. I will not use no browning. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna show you how we do it the Jamaican way. We Jamaicans sometimes we don't like to use a whole heap of liquor, you know, we like to be creative, so we're gonna get creative in the kitchen today. Here me have my chicken them well nice and clean. As you can see, I try to take off most of the skin because you know brown stew chicken, curry chicken, I hate to cook them with too much skin and too much fat. Can't take too much oil. Alright, so I'm just wash them with some lemon juice and some vinegar. So we'll get right into the seasoning now, bag of chattings. So over here some I have my cool runnings, all purpose seasoning. I have some chicken seasoning. In the bottom there I have garlic powder, onion powder mix, so paprika, some you can use peppercorns or black pepper. I have some celery salt in here. And I have my chicken seasoning. Yes, me use two different types of chicken seasoning because it gives me two different vibe. You know what I mean? All right. So first thing I'll do, season up a chicken. Just like your ancestors guide you. But really for a fact, you can just add like a teaspoon each of each seasoning for about 2 pounds of meat. 1 tablespoon if you're gonna cook like 3 or 4 pounds of meat. Okay. Gonna do, just gonna rub this in now, goodie. Rub it in nicely, make everything nicely coated in those seasoning. Yes, man. So I have some oil on the stove right now, and the oil is getting hot. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna kind of fry these. And me I telling you from now, I love when them fry nice and crispy. So let's go fry our chickens. So good as you can see, my oil is nice and hot. So we're gonna add our chicken. Alright, goodies, so we're gonna allow them to fry on one side, and then I'm gonna turn them over and let them fry on the other side, okay? Alright. Okay, goodies, so now all of the chicken I'm fry, as you can see. So what we do now, we're going to cook this down. So I prepared some other seasoning, vegetables. So I have bell peppers, carrots, thyme, some red onion and some green onion, and I'm going to add a hot pepper as well. That's optional. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to put on my pot. Here I have my pot with some butter. Yes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my chickens to the butter. Seen? And I'm just going to allow the butter to finish melting. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some water to cook my chicken. Okay, so now I'm going to add some ketchup, about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm adding some ginger, so that's ginger paste. You can add about 2 inches of ginger. I'm adding a tablespoon of brown sugar just to balance things off. So you know you have the tangy, you want a little bit of sweet. And you're just going to stir this up. I'm adding a Maggi cube. Cover this down now and leave it to simmer, and then we're going to add our seasoning later on, our vegetables that we cut up. Okay? Alright. So goodies, right now we're going to add our seasoning, our vegetables that we cut up earlier. And we're just going to toss this around and leave it to finish cooking. It needs about 10 more minutes. As you can see, goodies, it is looking beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, man. So remember now, subscribe to your girl channel if you're new here. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And leave me a comment, man, so I can know you pass through. And let me know if you will be trying out this brown stew chicken without no browning. Yeah, man. So I have another method with the brown sugar. Let me know if you would love to see that method as well. But this is my Jamaican style brown stew chicken, or cooked down chicken. Look how it looks nice and rich and beautiful. Just need like 10 more minutes so the gravy go down a little bit. And that's it. Beautiful. Alright, goodies, so I finished now, so I'm gonna take it off. And this is it. Nice. Eat this with some hot dumpling, or you can eat it with your rice and peas, plain rice, just on a bed of vegetables. It's okay, whatever you like it with. Very delicious. Thank you all again for watching. Have a God bless day.